Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how to create this simple model by using Solidworks. First of all, click in File, New, then choose Part, choose Front Plane and create Sketch, choose Center Rectangle, specify the dimension, 96 by 50. Now click on OK, go to Future and Extrude Base, extrude by 36 plus 6 from both sides, so 36 plus 12. Then click OK. Now click on this face, then create another sketch, normal to, and draw this shape. After you finished, specify the dimensions. From this line to this line is 26 and 26 here as well. Here is 10 millimeter and here is 10 millimeter as well. This angle is 45 degree and this is 45 as well. Now let's drag this line a little bit. The distance is 24 between these two. From this line, I think it's defined, but I will try. No, it's not defined. So this is 64 millimeter. Let's move this line a little bit. From this line is 16 millimeter long, and this is 16, so we don't have to write it, so it will end in this. Now click on center line and create a center line. Click on this line and this line and this center line and click on symmetric. Let's specify the dimension from this line until up is 16 millimeter here. Now everything is defined. Let's go to future, and before we go to future, let's add or convert some entries. This line and this line and this line, and convert entries. Now let's delete some unwanted lines. So let's delete these lines. Now go to future and extrude cut, extrude this and this and this and this through all, then click OK. Now we got this shape. Now choose this face and create sketch, normal to, and let's do these holes. So click on corner rectangle and draw two rectangles. This is 6 millimeter and 10 millimeter, the same as this. Now click on future, then extrude cut through all. Click OK. Now let's add these two ribs. We have here one, and from the opposite side another one. So click on front plane and then go to reference geometry and click on plane. So we should create a plane in the middle of our model. So this is 36 plus 6 is 42, and 42 plus 6 is 48. 48 divided by 2 is going to be, it will draw the plane in the middle. So click OK. Now we choose this plane and create sketch, normal to, and draw a line from this corner up and create another lines like this. Specify angle, it's 45 degree, then click OK. Now create a center line from the origin point, click on mirror entries and choose this triangle and mirror about this center line, then click OK. Now go to future and extrude base, choose mid plane and specify 10 millimeter thickness, then click on OK. Here we go, this is our model. Let's choose a nice color, then click OK, and here we go. I hope you like this lesson. Thanks for watching and bye.